Right, we're at this quarry. What's it called, John?
Dinorwig Quarry, I think it's called.
Something like that. We can't pronounce it, but we put it up on the screen. For that for a view. Back out adventurising after a long break. No mountains today apart from getting the views. See where we can go around here. What a morning, nice and fresh. Better than being hungover. Gonna try and get to this secret waterfall. Dinorwig Quarry. Adults playground. The barracks in it.
Is that what it said down there?
I don't know, I didn't read it. Just seen it.
Going for a swim in a minute. People, it's quiet as well, and they're not the beaten track.
I know. Something different in it, and past for fucking getting chocked up.
Gonna climb this quarry. Got me ropes in that.
So you got your ropes. Boss up here though, innit? Different.
That lad just cut through the fucking hillside there. Like.
I know. That's the viewpoint it is, innit? There.
Yeah.
Where they're going. Are we going to come back this way? I have to, aren't we?
Yeah.
Wind's picking up. Oh yeah, it is a little bit busy. I've had the camera off, missing everything.
Looks like you need to hang that thing, that's not that bad, is it?
No. Oh, fucking hell. Not that bad, and just went fucking arse over tit.
Yeah.
And we need to go into that cave, I think.
Yeah.
So where's the other one? Isn't the another one just above it? Oh, is it? That'd be proper inviting, that, wouldn't it, in the summer?
Yeah.
Couple of people down there. What?
300 degrees every day of the week. It'll still be cold.
Yeah. Where there?
Yeah. Probably been pulled from somewhere, haven't they? That's where the original event down there, mustn't it?
That must have been the path that we've come. Right. Down here now.
Right.
Down here. Oh.
Where they are.
Ah, just there's the cave there, but oh, I haven't been out for ages.
Yeah.
You're sketchy.
Put that back in your pocket, love.
Ah,
Put that back in your pocket.
not even sketchy though, it's just fucking me, innit?
What?
Oh, I'm not taking any fucking chances. Not even that bad, mate, it's just me.
What?
Just me, lad. Oh yeah, fucking hell. Better that way.
Better go in a across there.
Oh, look at that.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a cave there, by where there stood.
Where?
See all the waterfall is?
Yeah.
Cave there.
What?
Behind it.
Oh, well, no, you're like a white thing at the top of it.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I'll get the drone over there in a minute. Probably packed in here, lad. Do you want us to wait over there?
If possible, or if you can just squeeze out.
Right, we're just not going to disturb this like we're doing a video, so we're heading up to this little tunnel now. Just out for a little Toby instead of doing a mountain.
Amazing.
It's a little different thing, innit?
Yeah, it's beautiful round here. Like, have you boys been here before?
Done all the mountains round here,
Yeah?
just doing something different.
Oh, brilliant.
Because the wind's over by Ogwen Valley, like 66 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Don't be standing on the summit and that wind. Not worth it, is it?
It's travelling down there.
We want to come and have a look up here anyway for ages, so. Ah, down my back. Look at this, John. Ah,
No, mate. At some point you're not going to get through here all the time. No, look at that, there you've got to walk on.
that's all right, lad. What's in it?
Yeah.
I won't get any signal with the drone in here.
What?
I won't get any signal. No. But this is the secret waterfall.
Nice, isn't it? Smells like it's all erosion, isn't it?
Gonna climb up that in a minute, that slab. Saves me on my arse on a bit of fucking gravel. Oh, head torch. See? Deep. You see, John? Can you see?
Come on, dude.
You're putting your torch on?
No. Thought every time I want to do it, right? I can't have been fucking coming up. Now I'm trying to get these fucking torch off, it won't come up.
to your right,
And all the
to
other.
your left. To your right. Need me socks?
Yeah, no, I've got my phone, alright.
That's what you come out to. Turn this fucking torch off. Oh. The cave up there. We'll go into that one. It looks like a cathedral cave. Looks a bit like. It looks a bit like Cathedral Cave. Oh, didn't we go through there, didn't we? I didn't walk through that. There's some big cave there. Fucking hell. Fucking knee. Ugh. There. Yeah. I know. Are we doing that route? Yeah, it's only early, innit? But that's the walkway that we've just come through there. I know. Glad we didn't do so far, lad. My knee's playing up bad. Ah. Oh. That's the sun, isn't it? That's the sun will be fucking come through.
Yeah.
Like my shed, lad. No. Thought we slimy as fuck.
Yeah. Do you want to do it? I'll need water on it.
Yeah. There's a drop that way, isn't it? another cave. Going in it.
Why not?
My head torch.
Well, you've just put away.
That's blocked, isn't it?
There's it.
A little bit of adventurising.
I thought it was. Every piece of art, isn't it?
And that's been permanently blocked, hasn't it?
Yeah. That's been blue or something.
Being blue, hasn't it?
There's probably a way through it.
It'll be too dangerous, lad.
Get me fucking 6 stone.
Oh, fucking hell, lad. I'm getting through that.
What?
I'm getting through that.
Not that. Over the years, and with the wax something into it.
Yeah. Look at them poles.
Probably. No, they're
Explosion,
rails,
aren't they?
rails, aren't they? That's like a big pneumatic drill, they're not, because they're anywhere, look. It's probably ready to go, man. Another 100 years and all that. Yeah, I love this with going in all the time.
Someone, is that the noise they make?
Yeah. Can you go up with me?
Ah, shit! Sharp, that.
That's right, sweet.
Oh, bleeding out. I'm
What?
bleeding out.
Because
At that. First injury
you see it.
this season. There, lad. Bleeding out, lad.
Get the helicopter, lad.
Telling you. So you later?
Yeah, I pulled it in, lad. There, lad, innit?
Yeah. But that's probably all the best bits up there, lad. This is just like for the regular walkers.
This is Fernand's and Grandad's, this
I
land.
know.
The fucking timber's probably about 200 years old. You don't like that to build your barn with, lad, doesn't it?
Telling you.
But getting it back down is the problem. Just carry that on the back.
That's to come here on a fucking in the summer, lad. Yeah. Me and Carl were at that castle a few months ago.
There's all ruins there as well.
Yeah,
So
down
that
there.
path that continues down there, look. So it must have come down, passed through that, whatever that is.
Straight down to the water.
Yeah, straight down to the water. Just imagine a good place over there.
That must have been running, that house thing must have been running the fucking carts then.
Yeah, it must have been like a pump station or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it'll go down to there and probably all fires and everything there.
You could have done crib today, lad.
Let someone else give someone else
I know. I think this is just going to be bringing us down to the fucking car park or something, innit? Fuck all here. Anyway, if you're coming to the quarry, don't come down this path because there's nothing here. Go up. Go up there. They're just having an easy one today. Finding our feet again.
Overdue. I'll walk up there now.
Oh, fucking hell. Well, that's me and John done today. Just a short little walk on the Dinorwig, whatever. Dinorwig Quarry. How to see that secret waterfall. Maybe next time we come up and go up them ways, go and see the air barracks. Anyway, that's us done, so see you in the next.